Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I got something pretty cool. Right over here I got YEDC big coin. It comes with this neat package, extra ceramic balls. So if you lose some, because it might happen, guys, that you're gonna lose some of those that are inside over here. I'm gonna show you it in a second. This is the zirconium version with some abalone looking mother of pearl kind of thing inserts in the show side. And the cool thing, of course, on the back you got this engraving, which you can actually let me know in the comments down below what they mean, because I don't actually know. If you want this guy, you can check out Fablades.com and see if we have some in stock, because this is one of the coolest haptic around. This classic haptic, but also not so classic haptic on this way. Very cool haptic, classic again. Ratcheting on the back, kind of like feels like a safe safe mechanism would feel actually rotating. So very light pressure you need, much more pressure you need to go in the opposite direction. You can do in one way or in the other way. One is more relaxed, not loud at all. The other is louder. You can actually make it click very, very strongly. Anyways, let's check out measurements. 36 millimeters you have, and 12 for the thickness. I'm just gonna show you a couple of spinners. For example, I got the T-Max, I got the Billbug. I've got another couple very unusual. That's the Shirogorov pocket roulette, and this is the Lauti roulette. Just to show you how big this guy is. I mean, these are big spinners, of course. You might be familiar with the Milkia, that is pretty much the same height, or the Mott, which are probably my grails for sliders. I mean, of course, this is another slide. I'm not showing you any haptic, but just the stuff that's randomly right over there on the table. Anyways, let's also check the weight since we've done all the measurements. Remember, this is zirconium, so it's a very expensive material. In this case, the finish is polished. You can also get in a 2.41 ounces, by the way, in the pocket. You're gonna feel this fella. So zirconium is a very expensive material and really dangerous to work with. They could self-combust just with the dust, like the little specks, they could actually catch fire. So really, really dangerous. You need to be careful when working with these materials. When it's in this form, it's not, of course, dangerous. You can go along and play with it all day. Anyways, I'm gonna open this up. Guys, this is something you should do like on a table when you're comfortable. Don't do this in the car or in the street, because you might risk to lose some pieces, because the internals on this side are like that, okay? And this is, wait, Fab, come on, this is just a haptic. All right, so let's do it on this side. On this side, it's gonna be something like this. All right, so here you have the ratcheting mechanism. You have these 6 ceramic balls, which just show you have like spare if you lose them, and they are not glued or anything. They're just little springs right over there with that little piece that is gonna be ratcheting around the edge of this back plate. So when you just put it back, you just do it like this. You make sure that it just goes all the way down and it's back to its normal function of a haptic and ratchet. This guy is a pretty cool one. I really like it, and I really hope you enjoy this video as well. So there you have it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.